Hello, students. Welcome to another beautiful day of class. This week in our spelling class, we are going to travel around the world. Yeah! So, let's go with me and we are going to travel. Today is Monday, August the 7th, 2020. And, of course, our awesome words are from book page 38. So, on book page 38, you're going to find the awesome words. First, what you're going to do is to copy the date and then you're going to copy the title, right? And the title is the spelling list number 20. Can you believe it? We are in spelling list number 20. So, what we're going to do is we're going to copy some sentences about some places. And the first place is the United States. The flag of the United States is red, white, and blue. Yes, and also have some stars here. But the colors that the flag is using are those ones. And here I have one picture of the food of the United States. The food that you love it, right? The fast food. Hamburgers, pizza, hot dogs, or French fries with chicken and all that. So, the first country that we have, the first country that we're going to travel is the United States. That in Spanish is Estados Unidos. Number 2. The next country that we are going to travel is Australia. Yes. So you're going to copy the sentence and also the word. And this country is Australia. English is spoken in Australia. Australia. The next one. Okay. Number 3 is Canada. In Spanish, Canada. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Sure, this food looks like French fries with some bacon and some things, but I'm not really sure about it. And sure that here in number 4, we have Mexico. So, we took many pictures during our vacation in Mexico. Mexico. Okay, so we have here some delicious tacos, right? I love tacos. I hope you also love tacos or nachos and all those things. Then, number 5, Japan. Okay, Karen was born in Japan. Japan in Spanish means Japón. And obviously the food of Japan people are some noodles. You love them, right? In the soaps, in instant soaps. The next one is Africa. But Africa, it is not a country. Africa is a continent. And a continent is formed by countries. And we have here Africa. So we have here the map. Africa is a large continent with many countries in it. And here we have the map of Africa and the food. There are some plantain chips, right? With some rice and some meat. I love plantain chips. Number 6 was England. England. Did you know that England is an island? England in Spanish means Inglaterra. So here I have some eggs, bread with butter, some beans, bacon, and all those things. Number 8. Spain. Soccer is a popular sport in Spain. And I love this food. It's rice with some shrimps and all those things. Spain in Spanish is España. Then we have Germany. Germany. There are some beautiful old castles in Germany. I really like this country. But I don't like the pretzels. Germany is Alemania. And the last country that we are going to travel today is Iceland. Iceland is a country of volcanoes and glaciers. Iceland is Islandia. And here I have I guess those are potatoes. I guess, right? And this like meat and all those things. And now is your homework time. After you finish, look up the sentences. You're going to have your homework moment. Okay, what you're going to do is drawings about the flags of the countries of the sentence from 1 to 10. So you're going to make a drawing of each one of the flags of each one of the countries, and you're going to paint them in a very beautiful way. That was everything for today's class. I hope you enjoy to travel with me around the world. See you until next class.